I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hate me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video that I've been trying to film for literally months, but it is my makeup tutorial. A few side notes: I'm filming with the back camera today, so if the angles look wonky, you can't see my head. Yeah, I apologize beforehand. I just wanted better quality. And another side note: I'm in my bathroom today to get brighter lighting because I find that my sitting at my desk is really dim and dark, and I don't really want that for this video. Disclaimer: there are a lot of products that I don't use, like contour, foundation, stuff like that, and my makeup is supposed to be like, for me, I prefer really glowy makeup, so a lot of these products are like for like very glowy faces. So if you don't like glowy makeup, then it's not the makeup for you, babe. So step one is skin prep. I'm not going to use anything like super heavy, but I'm just going to use this bubble. This is the water slide serum. Can you see that? Yeah, and this is the Slime Dunk moisturizer, and I like how they made it so you can just like put them, like make those skincare smoothie things and put them together. So I usually just do one pump and then like half pump right before my makeup. And oh my god, my glasses are still on. Mix up my fingers and then just apply them in the spots where I know it's gonna have the most makeup. So in that case, that'd be my cheeks. Then whatever left over, I'll just put forehead. This is all rubbed in. I'm gonna move on to makeup. So this is the primer I use. It's the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I use the pink one because it infuses with niacinamide, and this is like, I think it's what some would consider drugstore makeup, but like this primer's like the best one on the market. Like, wait, hold on. It doesn't play. Like, anyways, after primer, I'm gonna use what makes up like the main base of my makeup and probably the glowiest part of my makeup. It is e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in the shade Deep Rich. I think this shade, it looks a little dark on me when I put it on now because, well, no, wait. It looked a little dark on me for a while because I had bought it in the summer, but then I realized that summer's quickly approaching, so it doesn't even really matter. But I felt like it looked a little dark on me in some places. But I put this in these points of my face. Sometimes I'll put a little on my chin and a little like heart shape on my forehead and like a little kind of line down my forehead. So in these points, I'm gonna just blend it out with a brush. Ignore how dirty this brush is.
Like what? I'm not the 3 or the 2, I'm the what? BBL booty, I pay for her butt. So whatever she make, I'm gonna need me a cut. Shawty like car.
Once that's all like blended out, I don't know how this looks on camera, but in the mirror that I'm looking at, it's very like porcelain looking, which is the vibe I usually go for. But don't like come for me when you see this next step. I'm gonna tone it down because I find the Halo Glow was just a little too glowy for me. So I use loose powder. Set it. This is Maybelline. I took it out of my mother's bathroom and never kicked back, and I've had this for like the last 4 years. But I take a powder puff, put it here and right under my eyes and up into my cheekbone area, I guess is what you would call it, and bring it up there. I try and leave, I put a little bit right here and I put some here and here, but I try to put, I leave my forehead alone, but sometimes I'll just put like a little in between the corner, and then whatever's left I'll just dust it on the forehead because my forehead just, I don't know, there's always like, it always looks bad. After that, my whole face gets sprayed with setting powder. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Glaze Setting Spray from the, not e.l.f., this is from Ulta. It's from the Ulta collection, and I just spray my entire face. Let that sink in while I decide what blush to use. Okay, I'm a really big blush person, but at the moment I only have 3 blush options. The one that I use the most is this from Huda Beauty. It is the shade Black Cherry. It's like the prettiest blush I've ever used. I got it at Sephora, and I think that it was like $22, but I only ended up paying for 2 because like I walked into the Sephora and they're like, here's $20 Or here's no, it was like here's a scratch off, and I won like a $20 off. But two other blush options I have is this one, and this is from the brand Amore US or Amore Us USA, and then this is the shade Plum, and then I have this one. This is LA Colors in the shade Mink. Not enough. But this is my blush for blush areas. This is liquid blush, by the way. And I just kind of put it, I put like 2 to 3 dots here and here, and then do another thing, and here and here. It's a really good pigment. Like the amount of pigment in it is really good. And when I put on blush, if I don't think it's enough, I'll put on some more. That's how it sounds. I'll put on some more. Some people would say I have blush blindness, but guys, I believe blush blindness is a myth. And then I'll take a angled brush, can you see that? Angled brush, and then I'll take like, I try to focus on these points of my cheeks, so here and here. And sometimes I'll smile when I blend my blush out, but yeah.
Up and stuck, hit from the back, I might go to the front. She got a booty, I'm rubbing her butt like baby girl.
So here's what the makeup looks like so far. Next thing I'm gonna move into eyebrows. So because my eyebrows are naturally like very like full and thick, I don't shape them out or like fill them in or anything like that. I just take a eyebrow gel and brush them to like keep them in place, because like my eyebrow hairs will just flare everywhere. But I'm currently out of eyebrow gel and I haven't gotten one in so long. But I will take a spoolie and I'll just follow like the natural path of my eyebrows. So if my eyebrow goes up and arches here, then I'll just follow and try to keep it as clean and together as possible. Next thing would be my lashes. My lashes, oh, I have a glitter. My lashes are currently like, I feel like they're always so short and like non-existent. So I use, these are my mascaras. I have, this is Lash Princess, the green one. This is e.l.f. Lash and Roll, and this is from the Ulta Beauty collection. This goes on my bottom lashes and these go on my upper lashes. I start with the Lash Princess to kind of serve as like a base coat, and then I just go apply mascara as you normally would. And then after that, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Lash and Roll, and this mascara one has like two, it's like a curvy, and I kind of think it has two sides. It's not focusing. Is it focusing? Wait. It has like two sides, so it has one like more like arched and one more inward and smaller bristles. So one with the smaller bristles, I kind of do the same thing. I just go straight upwards, and then with this side, I kind of like shimmy the lashes a little bit, like thread them through so they coat all of it. And then to keep them extra curl, I wait for the I got it on my finger. I'm not gonna do bottom lashes right now, just cause I don't feel like it. But yeah, we would just take a Q-tip, some water, and clean if you got any like on your like eyelid. And then my finger, because my finger. And we're almost done. So next thing is lips. To prep my lips for any lip gloss I might use, I'm gonna take a little bit of Vaseline. I put a little mini spatula in mine, and I just very, very light and thin layer. Usually this happens after like right after I do my full main skincare routine. I'm either gonna put this or Carmex on it, and this is Wild Cherry. So it's like on my lips during the rest of my makeup process, but I do that right now. And now we're gonna pick my lippy. I'm a really big like lip gloss person, so my lip gloss is like this, 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 this. Here's my lip products. And then I have a lip liner. This lip liner is e.l.f. Cream Guide lip liner in the shade Dark Cocoa. The shade needs to be desperately sharpened, but we're gonna use as much as we can. And I just follow the natural, I don't overline anything, I just follow the natural shape of my lip.
1 2 step in the box. 1 2 step in the box.
Then the lip combo, I will use any of those lippies, but the lip combo that I've been hooked on is these. These are my this is my lip combo, like you don't understand. So this is the Ulta Beauty Collection Weightless Water Lip Tint in the shade Very Berry. And I dab it. I'll just take like a tissue or something and then eat it and like give it a little kiss. Look at my lips. Then I'll take this lip gloss. This is e.l.f. Glow Revere Lip Oil in the shade Gem Session. Everybody in my dance class has this lip gloss. It is like the most perfect like reddish brown lip gloss ever. Those layers on top of the lip oil, not lip oil, the lip tint so well. 2 more steps and we're done. Next step would be highlighter. Obviously heavy on the highlighter. I put highlighter here on my lip, on my nose, right here in my eyes and in my eyebrows. I'm not that anymore. I'm not that person anymore. So I have 2 highlighter options. This is Fenty Beauty in the shade, this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter in the shade Choky Life. It's really like shimmery gold. Mine didn't in it. I scratched it on accident, but that's what it looks like. And then this one is from Japan. It's from the brand Twinkle Pop. I got it at 7-Eleven. It's like a glittering layering eye palette. So when those like K-pop idols have those like really nice like dewy and makeup styles, this is like the type of palette that they would use. But I only use the glitter shade in this one. And this is what it is. I use this one and I just take a brush, take the like tip of the brush and
1 2 step in the box. 1 2 step in the box. Get jiggy. Oh man. Yeah, wait.
But yeah, final step, I'm returning back to my Ulta highlighter setting spray and just do a quick little and spray my face. I just realized what this smells like. I've been using this for the last couple of weeks and I'm like, this smells like something I used to eat as a child. It's Fruit Loops. It smells like Fruit Loops to me. So that is the last step in my makeup routine. So this is what the makeup ended up looking like. I'm gonna style my hair real quick and then show you like a finished. Here we are with the finished look. I did a cute little like half up, half down claw clip style. This is what the makeup looks like. I absolutely adore my makeup routine. Like it is so fun to do and I feel I always look so cute when I'm done. Like I just love the way that it makes me look. It's so like it just makes me so happy. But yeah, with that being said, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial and try it for yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.
I wish that we were laying in the same sheet.